So today I want to talk about my DEWENWILS power strip. This is a very basic power strip. It has a very simplistic design, and it basically accomplishes what it is that you're looking for if you're looking for a lot of capacity as it relates to plugins. So this power strip comes with 6 standard 3-prong plugs, all in the same orientation and a very straight and sleek line. It also has the capability of turning on and off all of the components at the same time. If you wish to isolate your system, if you're gone out of the house for a while or out of town for a few days, you want to shut the whole thing off, you can just flip that switch to the off position. If you want to mount this on the wall, this device can be mounted using 2 screws, screwed directly into the wall with the head slightly offset from the wall. And that will allow you to place the large opening of the mount holes over the screw and press it in and then slide it down so it seats in this narrow portion of the mount hole. The device also comes with a compact plug, which I enjoy, and I actually appreciate these designs of plugs. What they allow you to do is to have the ability to mount your power strip and plug your power strip in very tight spaces, especially if it's behind your work desk or a piece of furniture. You don't want that power plug sticking out the back directly from the back face because it will bump into your furniture. This 90-degree angle design actually allows you to push the furniture right up to the edge and the opening of the power strip or the power plug. And then the last question that some people have is, what if I want to mount my power strip and not actually have to put holes in my walls? Is there a way to do that? Wanted to talk to you also about another product that you can purchase on Amazon, and that's what this product is that I'm pointing to right now. It's called the Freeport mount plate. It actually is attached to the wall using adhesive strips, and it has mount anchors on it that are compatible with these mount holes on the back of the DEWENWILS power strip. So the way that it will work is those mount anchors will actually fit in these holes, and then you can seat them. And I'll show you how to mount this now. Very simple. And then once you have it mounted to the wall, you can plug in your devices directly to the power strip as if you were plugging it into a plug on the wall. So you can plug in your phone, your laptop, your iPad, your computer monitor, as I said, the same way as you would plugging it directly into the wall. And then when you want to remove it, you just simply pull and it comes right out.